PDF software, Microsoft partnership, Microsoft Partners Network program guide, internal use rights, cloud and software benefit, partner membership, center guide V3, Microsoft partner blog, how to download the Microsoft partner network MPIN, Adobe Microsoft partnership, Adobe Experience Cloud with PDF and signatures tool embedded in Microsoft applications like Office 365 and Dynamics 365. You can work smarter. Microsoft integrations with Adobe Acrobat DC with Adobe Sign. You can sign anything. Microsoft Action Pack Software List 2020. Microsoft Partner Software Download. Microsoft Partners Network. Microsoft Partners Benefits Downloads. Adobe expands Microsoft partnership with PDF services. The new integrations along with updates to Adobe Sign and Scan are about getting work done and documents. Microsoft and Adobe expand partnership with deeper PDF. Microsoft and Adobe expand partnership with deeper PDF integrations across Office 365 variations by Nat Levy. Adobe is integrating PDF services directly into Microsoft Office 365. Microsoft and Adobe are extending their close partnership this week with the integrations of Adobe PDF, Microsoft Softwares and Cloud Solutions, Microsoft 365 and Azure. New license only purchases should be purchased through cloud service provider CSP partners. Guidance on next steps. PDF learn. Make sure that you don't include any private info related. Microsoft partnership agreement PDF. Microsoft Action Pack software download. Microsoft Silver partner requirements. Microsoft Silver partners benefits license table for partners with the Microsoft Action Pack. Microsoft Action Pack benefits 2021 license table for partnership with the competency. Microsoft partner benefit Office 365. Microsoft Silver partners PDF. Microsoft partners agreement. Westcon customer product materials means the materials disclosures and customer agreements associated with the specific product. Page 11 channel terms confidently. The Microsoft partners agreement for cloud solutions provider partners. Microsoft Download Center, Windows, Office, Xbox and more. Part of this digital transformation requires upgrading partners agreements to align with the reality. These goals are to make the contracting experience easier to the continue meeting. What is the Microsoft partner agreement? What is Microsoft MPA? Where do I find MPN ID? How do I associate MPN ID to partner center account? Microsoft partner agreement software 1. Microsoft partner agreement reseller. Microsoft partner agreement MPA to indirect reseller. Next page. Microsoft partners agreement MPA for indirect reseller also software. Microsoft partner portal. Microsoft customer agreement. Microsoft MPA login and Microsoft CSP agreement. Microsoft partners network agreement. MPIN program. Microsoft CSP modern agreement. Tech data cloud solutions overview. The Microsoft partners agreement MPA is a modular triple agreement. The delivers at most relevant terms and conditions. Partner center onboarding and the Microsoft partners agreement for indirect resellers. Intercoms all partners. Microsoft cloud agreement current agreement for CSP customers.